Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Let's start the video about LinkedIn marketing. The best LinkedIn marketing strategy for 2021. LinkedIn has something no other social platform does. It's built entirely on professional networks and not on funny cat videos. Unlike YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, people come to LinkedIn for one thing: to connect with a professional network. This means that people are in an entirely different mindset when they pop up their LinkedIn feed versus when they sit back and scroll through Instagram Reels. And that's LinkedIn's true power. Having a LinkedIn marketing strategy means that you're marketing your expertise as an agency owner, business owner, or marketer to the people who genuinely care. People on LinkedIn aren't there to scroll past your educational marketing post so they can see their cousin's wedding photos. They want to grow their network, learn from experts, and see how others can help them reach their business and professional goals. Step 1. Know your customer avatar. Before you hit publish on a LinkedIn post or any social post, you have to know your ideal viewer. If you don't, it's like taking a random sentence made in a word generator, paying $15,000 to have it put on a billboard, and wondering why nobody bought your product. Who are you marketing to? We use the Customer Avatar Worksheet to help our Digital Marketer Lab members and certified partners figure out the goals, values, morals, pain points, challenges, and more of their customer avatars. This worksheet turns what should we post into clearly we need to post this, which turns into subscribers and conversions down the road. Step 2. Optimize your profile to answer these questions. In regards to your LinkedIn profile visitors, people are looking to answer a few questions for themselves as fast as possible. The questions include: is this person useful to me? Is this person credible? Is interacting with this person useful for me right now? Optimize your profile to make sure you're answering these questions and moving viewers into followers who want to engage with your content. Step 3. Grow your network strategically. 1. Thought leaders. Thought leaders are your direct and indirect competitors. Natasha puts it perfectly by saying, stay curious about your competition. You want to see what they're doing, so you can always stay a few steps ahead. 2. Clients. Chances are that you're looking for an ROI from the time you spend on LinkedIn. That's where curating content for your customer avatar comes in. The goal is to get prospects to either message you about your services, huge win, or be warmed up to who you are and what you can do for them when you reach out to them in the future. Step 4. Implement a content strategy. The freelance e-commerce marketer's content pillars will be the future of e-commerce marketing based on technology and trends. Strategies for e-commerce marketing, as proven with social proof. Your marketing tools stack. This is the foundation of branding. It gives your audience a way to categorize what to expect from you and helps them realize that it's exactly the type of content they want to read. Step 5. Create value in your cold messages. If you send cookie-cutter messages, you get cookie-cutter responses, or no responses. She's big on making sure each message is personalized to show the reader that she didn't blast out 100 of these at once. She took her time to make sure this message gave value to her cold lead before she started asking them to work with her. Step 6. Lean into your free salespeople. Some of the best salespeople for your business have never taken a sales course, don't spend their time on sales calls, and haven't touched a CRM. These are the people who can get you the highest conversion for the lowest rate. They're your past and present customers. People who know you do great work and are happy to pass the word on, especially if you offer a commission. The best LinkedIn marketing strategy for 2021 follows Natasha Velasica's 8 steps. Know your customer avatar. Optimize your profile to answer these questions. Grow your network strategically. Choose your content pillars. Create value in your cold messages. Lean into your free salespeople. Use a CRM right away. Split test and optimize your inbound and outbound messages. Press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Welcome to Knowledge Builder.